In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Gmail. Whether you're looking to practice a new language or you simply prefer to use Gmail in a language that's more comfortable for you, this guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which represents the settings. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select See All Settings. Now that you're on the settings page, you'll see various tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the General tab, which should be the first one on the list. This section contains all the basic settings related to your Gmail experience. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the Language section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that displays the current language your Gmail is set to. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal a list of languages. You'll be presented with a wide array of options from around the world. This is your opportunity to select the language you wish to use. Once you've found your desired language, click on it. Before moving on, double-check that you've selected the right one, as this will affect how everything is displayed on your Gmail. After you've selected your new language, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This step is crucial because if you forget to save, all the adjustments you've made will not take effect. Once saved, your Gmail interface should automatically update to the new language you selected. At this point, it's a good idea to navigate through a few sections of your Gmail to ensure everything is in the language you want. Familiarize yourself with common commands and labels in the new language if it's different from what you usually use. If at any moment you feel like you need to switch back to your previous language or try another one, you can simply follow these same steps again. And there you have it, a simple process to change the language settings in Gmail. With your Gmail now set to your preferred language, you'll be better equipped to communicate and manage your emails comfortably. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.